so juicy and sweet. B is for ball that bounces on my feet. C is for cat with the soft little purr. D is for dog with the happy tail burr.
Sing with me from A to Z, learning letters 1, 2, 3. Clap your hands and dance along. Let's all sing the ABC song.
E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish that swims along. G is for grapes, purple and round. H is for horse that gallops around.
Sing with me from A to Z, learn new when it's 1, 2, 3. Clap your hands and dance along. Let's all sing the AEC song.
I is for apron, cold as ice. J is for ish, you trace so nice. J is for kite, fly so high. L is for ride, king of the sky. I is for igloo, cold as ice. J is for jam, tastes so nice. K is for kite that flies so high. L is for lion, king of the sky. M is for monkey swinging with glee. N is for nest in a tall, tall tree. O is for octopus deep in the sea.
P is for panda so cuddly and free. From A to Z, learn new letters 1, 2, 3. Clap your hands and dance along. Let's listen leading he sees song.
Q is for queen with the golden crown. R is for rabbit hopping up and down. S is for sun that shines so bright. T is for train chugging left and right. Is for umbrella on rainy days. V is for violin that plays and plays. W is for whale so big and grand. X is for xylophone played by a band. Y is for yellow like the sunshine. Z is for zebra with stripes so fine. Now we've sung from A to Z. Sing again and learn with me. From A to Z, learning letters 1, 2, 3. Clap your hands and dance along. Let's all sing the ABC song.